Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
We just wanted to say a very Merry Christmas to you all, and hopefully a Happy New Year. We really appreciate all of the time that you've spent viewing our videos over the last year. We still find it really amazing how many of you tune in to see what we're up to, and obviously what Hairy Biter here is doing and biting these days. We've got some important news in this video, so keep tuned for that. We've got some interesting new products and bits and pieces to show you on the channel as well. We've been buying a few bits and pieces, which hopefully you're going to find quite interesting. So although we've slowed the channel down a bit, for obvious reasons, you can see this one's a bit of a handful. We've got loads of exciting new stuff coming your way. So stay tuned. Short video today, but we'll give you a quick channel update in terms of what's going on. See you all soon.
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Hopefully it'll be peaceful. It's -6 outside. We've been for a long drive this morning, left the house at 5 in the morning. Stay tuned and you'll find out what we're up to. We've arrived at our destination. This is Breeze Van Centre in Poole. As you can see, a big California specialist. They've got an ID Buzz here now as well as a Caddy California, and pretty much every parking space here, or every other parking space, feels like it's a Cali. So if you ever do need to talk to anyone about Calis, then definitely worth a try down here. Anyway, back to the reason that we're here. So you might wonder why I've got all of the keys of our Cali with me today. Well, that's because we're down here in Poole because we're selling our California to Breeze in Poole. So I'm here to drop it off, here to see Jamie, who is our fantastic salesman down here, who's taking the van off us. We've taken everything out the van, it's back to standard again. And boy, did that take some time, I can tell you. So we are a little bit heartbroken. This isn't the end of the story though for us, so please do keep tuned to the channel. You'll find out what's going on, what we're doing, and what our plans are in due course. But today, on this freezing cold day, we're here to drop our van off, so wish us luck. So for those of you who have been with us since the start of the channel, you'll have watched us pick this van up from Coventry, and this is the as new state that you would have seen it in back then, and as you can see, it's in as new condition still. So we're very proud of our van, and still are. And whoever has happy travels in Whipsey next, I'm sure they will look after it too. But yeah, it feels a little bit bare, a little bit back to basics now, because all of our stuff has been taken out, and no fairy lights, no lovely custom mats from Campervan carpets. It's all just back to standard. But you know, things change, and you will see what's happening with us in due course. So that's me then. I've been dropped off at Poole Station and I'm going to catch the train back home to London and then onward. And don't go anywhere. You'll see our plans very shortly. Thanks for watching. See you soon.